Hi, welcome back to my video. In the previous video you saw how to find the HTTP enum way back by using the auxiliary model. So now you are going to learn how to find the endpoint mapper scanner, which is an auxiliary model in Metasploit. By using this model we can obtain the information from the mapper service. So here you can see the previous output. Now I am going to select a new session. Once again I am going to enter in the Metasploit framework by typing cd Metasploit framework next /msf console. It gets loaded up. So next I am going to use endpoint mapper model by typing use auxiliary / scanner / DCERPC / endpoint mapper and getting the information by typing info. So now here you can see the information of model like rhost, rport and threads. Rhost is used for setting the target address and rport is used for targeting port, and threads setting the number of concurrent threads. So now all we need to do is just set up the range of IP address by typing set rhosts and the IP address range, that is 192.168.43.1/24. So now setting up the threads count by typing set threads 255. So at last I am going to type run. Here you can see that this model can be used for obtaining the information of mapper service. So now here it's showing that connecting. What it's actually doing is it's going to cross check all the IP address and find the exact IP address for endpoint. Here it shows us that some of them are getting connected. Here it shows us that some of are not getting connected. We need to wait for a while till it gets connected for the IP address. Okay, now here you can see that it has found the endpoint, that is SACPC, and its IP address is 192.168.43.17. So that's how we are going to find the endpoint by using endpoint mapper, which is present in the auxiliary model in Metasploit. That's all in this video. Thank you.